You too. Okay, I'm just gonna cut this. We have a dance performance today at Lenoir Fairground, North Carolina. Get ready with me. This is my vlog. It's just gonna be old dances. Plus, one of my dance members injured her ankle, so she's not gonna be performing with us.
It's a really short one person, which is gonna look a little funky because not a lot of us. It's only 5 of us, so it may look like 4 or 3 of us today. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Just getting gas. Ew, she's so nerdy.
So we're currently here, earlier than everybody else, maybe too early. And we're just chilling in the car because we don't want to go inside. Plus there's not a lot of people here. You guys want to see her mole? Not her mole, her pimple that she created into a mole. Where is it? Stop. It's actually really embarrassing. Guys say hey. Hi. It's not like that. Without Lone Tea today.
Me? I feel like I'm forming a pimple. Hey guys, so I'm finally back home from the day, and I can honestly say that the performance wasn't bad. It was good, it was decent. I just wish that I didn't need to breathe so hard that I couldn't smile during my performance, bro. I'm gonna be working on my diet and I'm gonna be exercising, so you guys stay along on this journey with me and see how, how much pounds I can lose within this month, because we have a competition coming up soon. But look forward to watching our dance performances, and yeah, to clarify, we are the Clover dancers.
Thank you guys. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, I guess, and do whatever you want. Just watch it. I don't care. Thank you. Bye.